In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher on the process, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the sign in page and you'll see a variety of options. For ease, I recommend clicking on the option to sign in with Google. This streamlines the login process and saves you the trouble of remembering another password. Once you click on Google, choose your Google account that is associated with Zoho Books. Now keep in mind, since this is a web-based platform, the page might take a few moments to load depending on your internet speed. Patience is key here. Once you are successfully logged in, locate the Purchases tab on your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your purchasing activities. Click on it and then select Purchase Orders. This will take you to the section where you can view existing purchase orders or create a new one. To create a new purchase order, look for the button that says Create New Purchase Order. Click on it and a new form will appear where you'll fill out the necessary details for the purchase order. Begin by adding the vendor's name. If the vendor is already in your system, this should be a quick selection process. Next, you'll need to choose the delivery address. This is where the purchased goods will be sent, so double check to ensure this information is up to date. After that, pick a purchase order number. Zoho Books might suggest a number based on your previous orders, but you can also manually input a number if needed. Choosing the right number is important for tracking purposes, so make sure it fits within your system. Now let's move on to the item details. Here you'll add each product or service you wish to include in the purchase order. This section will include descriptions, quantities, rates, and total amounts for each item. If there are any additional details needed, such as discounts or specific instructions for delivery, be sure to include those as well. Finally, once all the information is filled out and you've double checked it for accuracy, you'll click on the Save and Send button. This action saves your new purchase order and simultaneously sends it off to the vendor. And there you have it, you've successfully created a purchase order in Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Remember, while this walkthrough covers the basics, you can always customize your template and add more fields or details as needed for your particular business. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video where we tackle more tasks in Zoho Books.